Hi everyone, my name is Mwale and I'm a Zambian student studying at Texila American University. I am studying Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, and I'm here to share with you some of the experiences that I've had with Texila American University. Among the experiences that I've had with Texila American University, one of them is that we do have a library that is quite conducive for students to go and study from, and it's quite easy for us to access books in the library without any difficulties. The other experience that I've had with Texila American University is that we do have good relationships between lecturers and students. And what I actually mean by that is that it's actually possible for me to go and ask for help from my lecturer if I do not actually understand what he or she is trying to teach me. The other experience that I've had with them is that we do have a dissection lab where dissections will be taking place from, and that will actually be at our own advantage because we won't be inconvenienced early in the morning to travel and go to UTH or any other institution to go and do our dissections from there. The other experience that I've had with them is that we do have labs that we do practicals from and get our hands-on experience from. The other experience that I've had with them is that there was a certain period of time where I actually needed help, and help was actually rendered so fast, and that actually made me feel seen and heard. So for those that are actually wanting to come to Texila American University, I would actually encourage you to come and study at Texila American University because it's a good school.